Hey, it's Joseph here. I've got this box that Asus has sent me to showcase. It's kind of hard to tell what it is by just looking outside the box, as everything is pretty much black other than the label over here. And actually on top over here, this side says ROG Flow. And if you care for some of their devices, this is actually their laptop. I'll get into that a bit. But in terms of the specification, the model name is GV301R, and then the color is off black or 2A off black. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but the LCD is 13.4 WUXGA GLTP WV. I'm not exactly sure what all of those characters mean, but I think WUXGA means some sort of resolution, and then the VRAM is 4 gigabytes, and then the CPU is AMD R9 16900HS BGA, and then the storage is 1 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and then there is no optical drive, and then the RAM is actually DDR5 and 16 gigabytes, and then the LAN is Wi-Fi 6 and also the Bluetooth combo. And it appears that there are one of USB type A that is 3.2 and then two of USB type C that are 3.2, and it is equipped with Windows 11 home version, and it is in US language along with power cord, and accessory is 4-cell 62 watt-hour battery. So with those clues, let's go ahead and open this one up. And Asus has loaned me this device for me to produce a showcase video like this, and I'll certainly follow up with a full review later on. However, this video is more meant for unboxing experience and first impression type of video. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you since you're gonna be behind the box, but there is this nice graphics that is going on here for those who dare. And the laptop sort of popped up with this box coming up. It's kind of cool how they did that. And the ROG is meant for gaming community, so this is sort of a gaming device, if you will, and it popped up like that. Kind of cool. And it is small. I mean, yeah, the box is a lot larger, and this is a 13-inch device. Yeah, it is much smaller than I anticipated. Nice. I like small devices. And over here, there is a diagram of foldable thing to prop up your laptop. And on the side there seems to be a box for charger usually. So here is the charger, the power cable, and then connected onto here. The charger brick is quite small, and it is charging via USB Type-C on this end over here. And the charging capacity is 100 watt. So this is a 100 watt USB Type-C charger. Quite a good size, I would say. I do not like all of these cables dangling, so I can perhaps use my own 100 watt USB-C charger, but I will at least have it aside so I can use it later. And then underneath here is a smaller box with the ROG logo and perhaps some paper or sticker. No stickers, but paperwork in search of incredible warranty information kind of thing. And because this is a review unit, there may be a couple more contents as you purchase and open up the box. I just wanted to let you know that I may be getting something less than what you would be getting. And let me undo the plastic wrap. So in the box there is this gorgeous looking laptop. I really like this angulated finish. It is actually tactile, so you can kind of feel the bump, and there is a diagonal line difference right there. It is quite cool, and how simplistic everything is. And it is metallic, so everything is very cold to touch. I'm actually surprised how cool it feels right now. And there are some ventilation going on with the rubber feet on the corners. I suppose you can kind of get into the inside of the device by undoing these screws, so I may attempt that. So we've got two different fans over here with CPU and GPU module. I'm not exactly sure which is which. However, there is a Wi-Fi module with the antenna going on, and then the wider eGPU port here, and then I believe that is an SSD. So this is NVMe 1TB M.2 SSD, and then two bottom firing speakers along with the 62 Wh battery that is occupying almost a half the space, and the RAM is soldered on. For this type of device, that is, I would say, given, but you can replace SSD if you would like to, although 1 TB seems plenty for this size of a device. Yeah, I think that is pretty much what I can see off of here. And then here are ventilations on the back. So it is quite rectangular and boxy, but it is quite well made and it is solid too, and I really favor the overall weight of this device. Let's have a look on the side. So starting here is the power button, and then USB type A port, which I had mentioned, and then USB type C port, and then moving on to the back are the heat vents, and here are two rubber tabs to protect the screen as it opens up. And then onto the other side, here is a port for external graphics card that ROG or Asus makes. So you can open that up and you can acquire that separately to get a lot more graphics horsepower. And then full-size HDMI port, impressive. And then the combo headphone jack with couple of LED indicator. So that is it. Not too much of a port selection that is going on, but it does have full-size HDMI along with this proprietary external graphics card port. And then opening up the device, it is a nice and clean looking interior, all black with a typical ROG style of keys and feeling very smooth with some texture on here. There is a faint ROG logo that is over here pixelated, and then a glass trackpad, feels very smooth, and also a couple of keys up here for volume control and microphone. I guess those are macro keys. Standard keyboard layout for 13-inch device, and then up here it does say full HD 120 Hz 16:10 ratio, so it is sort of a taller unit, which is nice to see, especially on the 13-inch side, and the hinge is actually able to go all the way down, and I believe you can do 360 as well, so you can flip it over and then you are able to do a touch screen and such. So I'm expecting this device to be touch capable, or perhaps even have a pen. All of that will have to follow on the full review, but yeah, it's looking like a cool device. It's quite well made, and I'll do a full testing. It does state that it has GeForce RTX, so I'm curious to find out what kind of graphics card it has and how capable it is on this small form factor. And I would also be interested in, you know, what kind of capacity it will have by connecting external graphics card on this side too. So yeah, this is a short video of just kind of having a first look at the ROG Flow device. It is quite a good looking device, and it feels and handles nice too. So with that full review, if you have any specific question that you guys have on this device, please leave it down in the comment. I'll be sure to follow up on those on the full review video. If you have liked this short content for checking out the exterior and unboxing experience of this laptop, then please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos, and be sure to leave a comment for any of your questions. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.